here with WTI, and I'm here today to show you this absolutely so cute toaster. It's little Black & Decker red toaster. I love this color. We got it because it's so cute. I like the simplicity of it too. It's just a regular toaster with a wide opening so you can fit bagels in there. It has a bagel setting and it has a frozen setting, which is pretty cool. So like any, just pop it in there, push this down, and it works really fast and efficient, toasts evenly, and when you're done you just pop that up and that's it. Can't get much better than that. And if you want red, which obviously we did, this is a perfectly great toaster, and I love the shape of it, and everything about this toaster is fabulous. I love it. So if you need a toaster and you love red, this is the one, Black & Decker, and that's my point of view.